Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today once again. This is a channel that introduces options to you, vocational training options that we have in Germany, and this is a continuation video. If you have not subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. Do good to help someone. Share this video with families and friends for someone who's still struggling, that is trying to find the right vocational training to do in Germany. Then this is a channel you want to share with them. And more so, let's not forget that all vocational training in Germany, you must have definitely at least B2. If except the vocational training is not that taxing, you don't have to do much. That is when you have behinds to start. But if you want to go into the professional careers, then definitely it's from B2 upward. That is from B2 and C1 and C2. It depends on how intensive the technical terms in the career is. So I will encourage every one of us, if you want to integrate more in the system, learn the German language. And here what we are doing is we are explaining the options to you. Once you know the options and you've chosen, then you can take the bold step and take the right direction in the right step. This is a continuation video. We've talked about Berufe rund das Auto- und Straßenverkehr. That is the first area of specialization under transport and logistics. And today I'll be discussing the second area of specialization, that's Berufe rund das Flugzeug und die Luftfahrt. That is professions around aviation and aircraft. So if you're someone, aircraft lover, you want to know the careers, the options that are in this area of specialization, then I will advise you to always stay tuned, subscribe so you get notifications when we upload new videos, so you can have more information and you can take the right step in the right direction. Today I'll be discussing the FLUGGERÄTELEKTRONIKER, that is aircraft electronics technician. Aircraft electronics technician. The duration for this vocational training is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? Definitely you do. Your Hochschulreife, that is your university qualification, that is what you use to get into this vocational training. Your Hochschulreife, that is very important. If you want to go into this career path, you must have your Hochschulreife. Now, talking about the job description, what do? They make sure that the aircraft is in good condition before and after takeoff. They check the safety of aircraft, their systems. They make sure that everything is well secured. They overhaul aircraft, their systems. They check the fuselage, the wings of the aircraft, the control, the mechanical system, and they evaluate that everything is in the safety standard. So if you want to go into aircraft, you're a lover of aircraft, you want to work in the airports, or you want to work with planes, then this is a career you want to look into. Do you need a certificate? Yes, I already said. You need your Hochschulreife, your Hochschulabschluss. No, most importantly, it's only when you have your Hochschulreife, that is your university qualification certificate, your university qualification certificate, that is when you are admitted into this career path. Where do you find employment? Definitely where aircraft is being built or at the airports. That is where you find employment. Feel free to share with families and friends. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers, and don't forget, only you can stop you. Don't give up on your careers. So this is the second career path, that is the FLUGGERÄTMECHANIKER, and this second career has 2 areas of specialization. The first area of specialization is FACHRICHTUNG FERTIGUNGSTECHNIK, that's a specialization in production engineering, and the duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training, and the certificate to get into this is the Hochschulreife as well, and Abschluss or the Realschulabschluss, but most importantly the Hochschulreife, that's your university qualification, entrance qualification. Where do you find employment? At aircraft maintenance and production companies. That is where they find employment. So if you want to know how there's they specialize in production and engineering for aircrafts, then this is a career you would want to look into. That is a FACHRICHTUNG FERTIGUNGSTECHNIK for aircraft mechanic. That is the career you would look into. Don't forget, share it with families and friends. Don't give up on your careers. So this is the second area of specialization for under the second career under Berufsbildung und das Flugzeug und der Luftfahrt, and this is FACHRICHTUNG INSTANDHALTUNGSTECHNIK, that's specialization in maintenance technology. So if you are interested in the maintenance technology, how the aircraft is being maintained, then this is a career you want to look into. Basically, how aircraft is being maintained. The duration is 3 years and 5 months as well. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf, and you also need your Hochschulreife to get into this vocational training. Your Hauptschulabschluss or your Realschulabschluss, but highly is the Hochschulreife qualification certificates. They are highly accepted into this career path. So the major thing is, like I said earlier on, the Dutch course. You have to definitely have your Dutch course must be higher, and you have to be fluent. You have to be able to, so as to understand the technical terms and to be able to understand and cope with this vocational training. Share with families and friends. There are more videos coming up. The third the third career path will be explained in the next video coming up. Share with families and friends. Stay tuned, subscribe, and if my video has helped you, don't forget to write us in the comment section, and see you in the next video.